Hello, hi my Ile Nation. Welcome back to my channel. This is Living Life Like Ile. Hi my loves. So today we're gonna be talking about credit score. I'm not a financial advisor, that's a disclaimer, but I just want to help. I've noticed that most young people just get confused with a credit score. What is a credit score? A credit score is your credit profile that is kept at the credit bureau. So I think people just get confused why the banks ask for credit score, why banks will always ask for your 3 months bank statement. It's because the bank wants to see how you were performing, how you were paying your credit. If you don't have your credit in your credit profile, it won't show anything. So to have a credit profile, it's very important. How much do you need to have in your credit score? You need about 650, if I'm not mistaken. The higher your credit score, it's a good chance of you getting to be approved. If you want a car, if you want a home loan, so it's better to have a higher credit score. So there are so many ways you can activate your credit profile. The credit card. The reason why I chose the credit card is because it's the fastest way to increase your credit score. So my loves, I have I wrote down so that you guys can also write down. Pay your balance in full and on time. Make sure you pay on time. And another thing, read the terms and conditions. Say now you've got the credit card and the bank gave you the credit card. Read the terms and the condition of when to pay. There will be 2 dates. You pay the date that the bank gave you, not the due date. In that way, if you pay on the right date, that will help you also to increase your credit score because you pay at the right time. You're not delaying with the due date. It helps to keep your interest rate low. 2, keep your credit utilization very low. Try to keep it below 30%. So that means use a little bit lesser than 30% of your credit limit. 3, increase your credit limit. A higher credit limit will lower your credit utilization ratio. So always try to get the credit limit. Your credit limit should be high. Use your credit card responsibly. Your credit card is not for you to overspend and go buy things that you are not budgeted for. For instance, let me make an example. Now you have your salary. You've budgeted or things that you're supposed to pay, your DSTV, your phone, your Wi-Fi. Take that money out of your debit card and put it in your credit card. Then pay those expenses using your credit card. So that's the another way to increase your credit. You don't use bank's money. That's not your money, that's bank's money. My loves, my nation, I hope this will help, because if you want to buy a car, and also what I want to say, if you want to buy a car or anything that you want a loan or home loan, you don't just wake up in the morning and say, okay, let me go to the bank and find out my credit score. Can I buy a car? You need to plan. That's why the bank wants 3 months bank statement. At least plan for 3 months that, okay, in these 3 months, I'm planning, make sure that my debits are paid on time, my credit card is paid, because you don't want to have, what else, hard inquiry. You don't want that to happen to your credit score, because that also can lower your credit score. So make sure that you plan. By the time you go apply for a car, you know your credit score, you check. There are places that you check credit. I use Clear Score. You go to those places, you check. If your credit score is still low, don't go to the bank, because by going to the bank now, what you're doing, you're gonna be doing a hard inquiry. You want a soft one, which you do it. Use the Clear Score in that. So my love, I hope that this will help. And to say again, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just helping young people who wants to, buy cars, wants to go to rental for apartments. I hope this will help people. I love you all. Please comment. Anyone with any financial, help, please comment, subscribe, and share this with your friend. I love you all. Bye, my nation.